really want some new fidgets. These are all old and crusty and dusty. Did you say you're doing a needle?
Yes.
I'll trade you. I'll trade you my slow rising dumpling.
Add.
But look at this.
It's my favourite
there
needle.
is no air in this.
I want your butter squishy.
This is great texture, no air. But is this even real?
Yeah, it is.
This doesn't even have the logo, so it's not
Who cares?
real.
You can't touch my stuff.
I guess I'll add these monkey noodles.
Decline. I'm gonna go scam some more people. No.
Hey guys, trading my butter squishy, going once, going twice. Except this feels super nice.
Trading my new butter squishy.
Someone's trading their butter squishy. I'm gonna pretend these are like super rare. I'll give you these super rare. They're not even monkey noodles. They're like snakes.
No, I saw that. Wait, what are they?
They're like snakes, and like you see, they come in different sizes. Like this one is so big, and this one is medium, and this one is like small. And like you can do like so much stuff with them, and you can even like squish them. They're like noodles, but they're snakes.
Can you add your toast to it?
Okay, I'll add my toast.
And the pink fake needle.
Actually no, because these are both super rare.
Take away the snakes and add the needle.
No. Okay, fine. I'll add the needle.
Except
Little does she know that was a fake needle, and it's already breaking. It's so crusty and dusty and musty.
It smells like a... I love this smell.
Trading my ice cream lolly, ice lolly, slow rising squishy. Except little does she know I took a bite out of that.
Wait, why is there a bite out of this?
Gotta go. Okay, I think we did pretty good, but I think I'm gonna get more fidgets. Hopefully someone trades soon.
Trading my orange needle.
Okay, let's go scam them. I'll do this slow rising no air real dumpling.
No.
Legendary.
No, this one is basically the same, darling.
But this one is no air. Feel how this one feels.
You made it.
No, I didn't make it. Feel how this one feels compared to
you
yours.
made it.
I did.
Okay.
Feel how this one feels? Exactly.
Yeah. Add something.
Except.
Add.
No, because this isn't even a real needle. So
Who
except.
cares?
Except. This is a real dumpling.
There you go. Do it.
Oh my god, this is actually a real needle. It says needle on it right there. I cannot believe she believed me. That was so crazy. Okay.
Trading my real air less filled dumpling.
Oh my god, that person's trying to scam me because I literally just traded them that. Oh my god, this is going to be so funny. I guess I'll trade you this.
No, but this is a real dumpling. Someone traded it with me.
I guess I can add.
Someone traded with me. That isn't worth it. Okay.
I'm gonna go trade some on these monkey noodles because I'm really just not feeling them, and I really want some brand new, maybe like a new needle. Trading my brand new legendary unopened noodle snakes. Like they come in all different sizes, and it's like so legendary.
I'm making my lunch.
It's so legendary.
I'm making my fidget lunch.
These are so legendary. Like these are actually
the legendary thing.
Yeah, have you heard them? I'm gonna have to stop you right there because I'm wanting like in the mood for some squishies, and these are like super cool and like super squishy.
Please.
No, decline. 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 Okay, I'm gonna go trade someone else and try scam them. Trading my legendary snake noodles, going once, going twice. Definitely not monkey noodles. Going once, going twice, going once, going
I
twice.
guess I could trade my cheese sandwich.
I guess I accept.
Fidget.
Definitely not monkey noodles. Okay, let's see if I can
Hey!
trade these for like Nido. Let's go. Trading my legendary cheese sandwich you can get nowhere else. It's like a.
Because you just made it.
No, I didn't. It's like a cheese sandwich Fidget, like a cheese sandwich squishy,
Let's not
literally.
give you this.
I think you're gonna have to add. This is like so big. Add one more thing and we even, because like this is like 1, 2, 3 layers, except.
Hey, it fell apart.
Gotta go.